Right, in this video we're going to substitute values of x into a function and to get different functions. So we've got if f of x is equal to 5x minus 3, find a f of 2x minus 3 times f of x, c f of x minus 2, and d f of minus x. So we've got f of x is 5x minus 3. So f of 2x, that means everywhere there's an x in here, we now replace it with 2x. So we're going to have 5 bracket 2x minus 3. We now simplify that, so it's going to give me 10x minus 3, and there we're done. B, minus 3 times f of x. So this means I've got to take my f of x, which is 5x minus 3, and multiply the whole thing by minus 3. So we're going to do minus 3 brackets 5x minus 3. Expanding the bracket, we're going to get minus 15x and then plus 9. C, f of x minus 2. So this now means wherever there's an x in this, we now replace it with x minus 2. So it's going to be 5 brackets x minus 2, take away 3. Expanding this bracket here first, we're going to get 5x minus 10, 5 times minus 2, minus 3. Collecting these two terms together here, we're going to have 5x there, minus 13. D, we now replace x with minus x, so this is going to be equal to 5 times minus x minus 3, and that's going to give me minus 5x minus 3. So it's been a video to substitute different values of x, or different multiples of x into a function. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.